November 19, 2022, before sunup, the waning crescent moon is in the southeast with Virgo. During the evening see Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn at the same time. Chart caption, 2022, November 19, the waning crescent moon is in the southeast with Virgo before sunup. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 6:45 a.m. CDT, sunset, 4:27 p.m. CDT. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. The Great Red Spot's transit times, when it is in the center of the planet in the southern hemisphere, 9:31 UT, 1926 UT, November 20th, 5:22 UT. Convert the time to your time zone. In the US, subtract 5 hours for EST, 6 hours for CST, and so on. Use a telescope to see the spot. Here is today's planet forecast. Morning sky. A thin crescent moon, 22% illuminated, is less than halfway up in the southeast before sunrise. The lunar slice is 9.4 degrees to the upper right of the star Porrima, also known as Gamma Virginis, and over twice that separation to the upper right of Sapphire Spica, the brightest star in Virgo. Tomorrow morning, the moon covers or occults Porrima as seen from northwest Africa and southwest Europe. Photo caption, 2020, November 13th, the crescent moon that is 4% illuminated is in the eastern sky before sunrise. This morning may be the best morning for earthshine for this waning moon cycle. Looking an hour before sunrise, the sky is sufficiently dark that the bright blush of later twilight tends to wash out the gentle glow on the moon's night portion from sunlight reflected from Earth's features, clouds, oceans, and land. Chart caption, 2022, November 19th, Mars is in the western sky near the bull's horns before daybreak. Bright Mars is farther westward at this hour, retrograding near the bull's horns, Elnath and Zeta Tauri. From night to night, its westward trek is easy to spot after it reversed its direction last month. Find the planet, over 1/3 of the way up in Taurus. Evening sky. Chart caption, 2022, November 19th, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn are strung across the sky during the evening. Venus and Mercury continue their slow entry into the evening sky. This evening Mercury sets 14 minutes after the Sun, followed by Venus 8 minutes later. Speedy Mercury is overtaking the second planet from the Sun. As the sky darkens, Jupiter is that bright star in the southeast. While it is a planet, it is star-like to the unaided eyes, shining as the brightest star tonight. By an hour after sunset, dimmer Saturn is about 1/3 of the way up in the south. Mars rises about 2 hours after sunset, seeming to follow Jupiter and Saturn westward. By 90 minutes later, Jupiter is about halfway up in the south. No other bright stars are nearby. Fomalhaut, meaning the mouth of the southern fish, is to the lower left of the Jovian giant. At this hour Saturn is low in the southwest and bright Mars is in the east-northeast. It is brighter than the two other reddish stars in that region, Betelgeuse and Aldebaran. The three planets are strung along the plane of the solar system. This view is impressive, the three bright planets seem hang to across the sky. Photo caption, this Hubble Space Telescope view of Jupiter, taken on June 27, 2019, reveals the giant planet's trademark Great Red Spot, and a more intense color palette in the clouds swirling in Jupiter's turbulent atmosphere than seen in previous years. The colors, and their changes, provide important clues to ongoing processes in Jupiter's atmosphere. At 11:22 p.m. CST, November 20th, 5:22 UT, Jupiter's Great Red Spot is in the center of the planet for sky watchers with telescopes. From Chicago, the planet is 25 degrees up in the southwest. Sky watchers farther westward see the planet higher and in a clearer sky. By tomorrow morning, Mars is in the western sky again. The crescent moon is thinner and lower in the southeast.